हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज आर्किटेक्चरल अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ शाहजहां आफ्टर जहांगीर's death in 1627 CE. His son Shihabuddin Muhammad Khurram, commonly known as Shah Jahan 1592 to 1666, became emperor. Prince Khurram very quickly finished his formal education and turned towards art of warfare. He practiced and mastered the arts of swordsmanship, archery, jousting, riding, and firing with gun. He was acclaimed for his skills at a very young age. He married with Arjumand Bano in 1612 Common Era. She was bestowed with the title of Mumtaz Mahal. Region of Shah Jahan is considered the golden period of Mughal rule because he received an extensive and prospering state with his father. There was complete peace and order in the state. Shah Jahan was a learned and civilized person as well as a dutiful and hardworking ruler. He was better than other rulers in respect of administration and dispensation of justice. Trade and commerce, architecture and literature prospered during the reign of Shah Jahan. He eradicated non-Islamic rites and customs at his court. He introduced lunar calendar and made special arrangements for the celebration of Islamic festivals. A short description of architecture in Shah Jahan's era is given as under. Age of Shah Jahan was the culmination of Mughal culture and architecture. He built Taj Mahal as the tomb of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal at the bank of Yamuna River. Taj Mahal is among the seven wonders of the world. It is entirely built with white marble stone. There is an extensive and exquisite garden around town. The Red Fort and Jamia Masjid were also built by Shah Jahan in Delhi. The buildings of Rang Mahal, Diwan-e Khas and Diwan-e-Aam inside the fort were built with red marble stone. Shah Jahan also constructed the Jamia Masjid in Delhi. Shah Jahan built Shalimar Gardens in Lahore, which is considered one of the most beautiful gardens in the world. Jahangir's tomb with 4 towers on 4 corners was also completed in Lahore during the same period. An exquisite garden was planted around this tomb. Very near to Jahangir's tomb lies the tomb of Noor Jahan's brother Asif Jahan. Its tomb is of a bulb shape. Noor Jahan's tomb is also situated in Lahore. Age of Shah Jahan, Sheesh Mahal was built in the Shahi Fort, Lahore. Small pieces of mirror used in this building makes it a masterpiece. Near Sheesh Mahal lies the building of Naulakha Baradari, where marble stone is engraved and studded with precious stones. In the same period, Wazir Khan Mosque was constructed in Lahore, which presents a fine example of mosaic work. Minarets of this masjid are unique in their shape and design. Influence of Persian architecture is evident in this building. Shah Jahan constructed a beautiful masjid in Thatta, which has its dome decorated from inside with finely painted green borders. Jahanara, daughter of Shah Jahan, built a congregation masjid in Agra. Roof of this masjid is covered with 3 domes. Shah Jahan died in 1666 CE and was buried in Taj Mahal, Agra.